A lot of people ask this question. How does working in indies differ from working in AAAs?
So indie studio is a little bit more personal in relationships. It's also like you're expected to have small teams, and each individual is like working on more than one skill set and so on. So even if you get in as like a programmer, at the end of the day, you might end up dealing with a lot of things. Like I used to work with somewhat with Blender as well, even though it was not my job because I needed to fix stuff or fix up animations and so on, or talk to a lot of people. So in indie studios, the culture is a little bit more personal, more friendly. So also the risk happens if you pick a fight with someone, it is going to snowball quite badly. So whereas in AAA, it's like the individualism kind of disappears. You are going to experience a lot more managers on top of you. You're going to experience that you're just a resource. Anything you say will take at least 2 business weeks to kind of go up and go down, if not more, right? And it's kind of like a place where if you have a thought on design and what should be fixed or not, you may or may not, but there's a very high chance they're not going to listen to you. That's like how the pipelines work, because it's more hierarchical. There are people that are making decisions on it and so on, and grievances are not that easily affected. And then of course, like because of the budget and stuff, the timeline differences and the pressure changes quite a lot. There are different pressures in each and every one of them. The Generally in AAA, the pressure is a lot more on the management, mostly because the failures and successes are taken by them, and your job is to make sure that you're just reaching out to things and getting them down. So you have pressure on the tasks that you're doing for yourself. So if you're further behind, helping someone else out becomes less of an option. Whereas in indie, you're kind of like, you're kind of moving together. So it's like the whole piece needs to move together. So that's like in terms of working, that's like the biggest difference, other than if you're not talking about budget, team sizes and everything. And like one of the biggest things is like, and indie is intense in a manner that like you're going to talk to your design as well, creative director as well. A lot of times you're going to hang out, you're going to have dinner and stuff like that. But in AAA, that's not going to exist. It's like you're competing with your own position, right? Because there is this looming threat that exists, like you can be replaced. We don't talk about it a lot, but that just exists, and that pressures you. So you're kind of improving your skills to move forward as well.